Hi guys, it's Mark from Profit Gecko. I just want to talk to you about Yoonla Elite. When you join Yoonla, you get all the access to the training videos and training materials for free, and these free marketing guides, all this information. You get all that for free, which obviously makes it worth signing up for anyway. If you want to gain access to the referral $4 commissions for people signing up, you're going to have to get an elite membership. That in itself doesn't actually cost anything. But as I mentioned before, you will need to get hosting and an email autoresponder. I use this in every online business I use, so it's an expected cost. With an elite membership, you also get Renault's team to automatically set up the website for you. You just have to complete these 3 steps. You get access to the elite Facebook group where you can openly talk to other Yoonla marketers, see how much people are earning and find out how they are doing it. This alone is pretty amazing. I've seen other private marketing groups like this and they charge you a membership fee of around $47 a month. It is immensely useful to be part of a community of helpful, like-minded people, and it's just part of the elite access. More than worth it. You also get access to occasional live question and answers from Renault himself. As you probably know, he is an incredibly successful digital marketer. It is his software after all, so being able to speak to him live is an amazing bonus. He also has interviews with some of the top affiliates that use Yoonla. Some are earning more than $10,000 a month, and he discusses their strategies with them. With an elite membership, you also get more email swipes to put in your autoresponder. These emails look like this, and you just put them in your email autoresponder and they'll be sent to your subscribers and increase your conversions. They also send you some traffic to get you started. Renault sums up all the benefits here, so it's better to hear from the horse's mouth.
Our specialized team will complete the setup and integration of your Yoonla Evolve system for you, so you can basically skip 6 of these 7 steps. Too easy, right? We will even launch a promotional campaign for you after the setup to really kick things off for you. We normally charge $297 for this custom setup since it is a manual setup by our team and does require time and a number of steps for us to complete. But since we've only just launched Yoonla Evolve, we're going to give away free priority setups to a few lucky new Yoonla members, and you are one of them. Also, since the complete Yoonla Evolve system is set up to benefit both you and us, it is in our best interest that you are set up correctly and swiftly to ensure both our success. A win-win, right? I'll explain more about this shortly.
To get an elite membership is really simple. Sign up to Yoonla with the link in the description and complete the 3 steps on this page. Elite takes no more than 24 hours and you'll be ready to go and make profits. Hope you enjoyed the video guys, and keep an eye out in your emails for my next one.